In today's video, we are going to show you how to set a take profit and Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials inside the dashboard. I want you to go to the trading panel and then go to my accounts and choose if you wanted to use a real account or a demo account. In this case, we're going to use a demo account, so we're not risking real money. And you can choose from an MT5, a zero spread. It's up to you. So I'm going to choose this specific account. There is an option here, the yellow button. I want you to click the trade button. And what will happen is you'll be asked if you wanted to trade using the Exness terminal, which will trade directly from your browser, or the MetaTrader 5. Which requires you to download and install the MT5 platform. In this case, we're going to choose the first option, and what will happen is we will be forwarded to a new page, which is going to be the Exness platform. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what a take profit or TP actually is. A take profit is an automatic price target that closes your trade once your desired profit level is reached. Now, for example, we have chosen gold versus USD dollar as our instrument. If you hover on the right side, you will see the take profit option. For example, let's say if you buy gold at, let's say, 300, you take profit at a certain level. And your trade will automatically close once the price reaches 3,110, securing your profit without manual intervention. Now, the take profit is extremely useful because it helps you lock in profits automatically, remove emotions from trading, and improve risk management, saving you time in monitoring the charts. All I have to do now is confirm the buy option, and basically that's it for today's video on how to set a take profit in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.